Welcome back. Time now for the Financial Week. More persons are swapping their travel advisors for artificial intelligence. It was one of the topical issues addressed at this year's American Society of Travel Advisors ASTA Showcase held at Sandals South Coast in Westmoreland recently. Kimberly Petty reports.
Like most industries, travel agencies have evolved over time, but is now facing stiff competition from internet bots. But tourism ministers in the Caribbean strongly believe that all is not lost.
AI must be a tool. It must be a tool to enable efficiencies and seamlessness in our tourism experiences. Human intelligence drives experiences, not machine intelligence.
St. Lucia Tourism Minister Ernest Hilaire also weighed in on the issue.
For me, the issue is not so much even intelligence, and I think Minister Bartlett pointed out, it is emotion. AI does not have emotion and passion and charm. So we must use AI, we must use the new technologies, but the defining characteristic is emotion. A machine does not have emotion.
As for Grenada's Tourism Minister Adrian Thomas,
AI is here. It is here to stay. It will be with us for a long time. It is up to us to make maximum use of it in the tourism industry so that we all can benefit from it and and ensure that our people reap the harvest.
But the question many pose is whether AI is as good as a human travel advisor.
I think the elephant in the room here is how do you coexist with AI and whether there's relevance for travel advisors within the next realm of technology that is emerging. And I want to go back to the global health pandemic in 2019, 2020. That taught us an important lesson. When someone traveled during the COVID-19 pandemic, they weren't picking up the phones and calling AI.
Mr. James underscored the importance of travel advisors and everyone in general coexisting with AI. Meanwhile, speaking at the 4th annual ASTA Showcase, Sandals Executive Vice President for Sales and Industrial Relations, Gary Sadler, reassured travel advisors that
for years, every so often you hear that travel advisors are going out of business and travel advisors because you have one segment of the industry who what they do is that they think is they can do without the travel advisor. Well, they're so wrong. They're absolutely so wrong. And at Sandals Resorts, we took a very firm position 43 years ago that our strongest distribution system will be through travel advisors. No matter how bad things get or good things get, we will always work with travel advisors.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
The Amber Group has officially taken over operations of the Sportsmax studio from Digicel to launch Revo TV, a 24/7 AI-powered digital television channel. Alongside the channel, Amber will roll out RevoNews.ai, a revolutionary platform where audiences can interact with news through an AI-powered assistant. Revo TV and RevoNews.ai mark what the Amber Group calls the dawn of a new media era, combining journalism and technology to transform how Jamaica and the region experience broadcast media. The JSE index advanced by 4,711 points, while the junior market index advanced by 12 points. The winners included The Lab, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Radio Jamaica, Stationery and Supplies, and Pulse Investments. The losers included Medical Disposables and Supplies, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Express Catering, Caribbean Cream, and G West Corporation ordinary shares, 15 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.09. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $119.05. The pound is going for $217.98, while the euro is selling for an average $192.26. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.